Hi class, I'm going to show you how I would like for you to format your papers. Now please use this style for every writing that you use for me. You can also use this for any class that you have to write. It's called MLA style. If you're curious and you want to search more, just Google MLA writing style. So let's start. I'm going to start with Microsoft Word. I recommend that you always use Microsoft Word, and most, if not all, computers will always have a form of Microsoft Word to use. Now, we got a fresh page, and the first thing that's most important is font. So I like to use Times New Roman. So up here is the font, and there's many, but if you type in T for Times New Roman, you will see it goes automatically to T, and here it is. You can choose this one or this one. It's the same thing. So click it, and now it is automatically changed to Times New Roman. Also, the automatic font size will always be 12, so please always use 12. Now, let's start at the top. Let's go to Right Alignment, click it, and you can see now the cursor is here. Please put your name, so my name, the class, for example, English 10 1A, and the date. So today is May 1st, 2018. So now your name, class, and date are at the top. Now the next thing we want to do is space down, and I want you to always double space. That means skip a line. Now I don't want to always have to press enter to skip a line, so the easiest way is to right click. If you go to paragraph, you'll see here line spacing is single, but I want double. So click it and OK. So now if I space again, it will automatically make a double space. So there's a space in between here now. Now, I'm not finished yet formatting my paper. The next thing I want you to do is go to the bottom of the page, right here. If you double click, you'll see what's called a footer. So at the top, you'll see footer. Please choose this one. You can see it's left side. And where it says type here, please put your name. Usually you want to put your last name. And to get out of footer, just double click on the page. So now you see my name is here in like a gray color. And I'll show you what this does. So if I go to a next page, it automatically puts my name here. I would also like for you to put page number. So let's go back to the first page and double click the footer. So my last name is here. But if I go to page number right here, alignment, that means left, middle, or right. Please choose right. Okay. So double click. Now you can see I have my last name and the page number. This is the first page. And if I look, here's the second page. And it will always do this for every page that you continue on. Now let's go back to the top. So I go back to my double spaced, and I want to put a title. So center, and I will call this example for Word format. So that will be my title for this page. Now remember, everything is going to be double spaced now. So if I press enter, it automatically puts a space in between. And I want to go ahead and begin my writing. So align left, cursor is on the left side. I'm using a fake language. It's called Lorem Ipsum. It just gives me fake words. So do not worry, this is not a real language, but just for an example. Now, I have a perfect paragraph the least amount of sentences. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit of 5. So that's a perfect paragraph. I can write more if I want to and make this longer, for example. That could be a paragraph as well, but for this example, I'll use a short paragraph. Now, remember, I want you to indent all new paragraphs. So if I go to the first part of the sentence, on every keyboard on the left side is a button called Tab, T-A-B. If you press it, it will automatically make a perfect space for a paragraph. And it will always continue to do that when I continue writing. So for example, if I don't have any writing and I'm starting fresh, so hello, my name is Kevin. So go to the beginning, press Tab, and perfect space. But for my example, I'll continue. So here I am. I want to go to a new line, a new paragraph. So if I press Enter, it automatically lines up with a new paragraph. So if I continue to write, maybe I have to change that, Tab, and perfect alignment. The space is exactly the same. So now my paper looks very neat, easy to read. I have my name, the class, the date, my title, good long paragraphs, indentation or new paragraph space. I have my last name and page number. And that is it. So please use this video to help you if you're not sure, and always make any written or typed paper look just like this.